Welcome to our instructional video on solving inequalities. In this video, we will focus on solving the inequality 2z plus 4 is greater than 10. We will explore the step-by-step process to find the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality 2z plus 4 greater than 10, we first need to isolate the variable z on one side of the inequality. Starting with the given inequality, 2z plus 4 greater than 10, our goal is to get z by itself. We begin by eliminating the plus 4 term on the left side of the inequality. To do this, we perform the opposite operation, which is subtraction. Subtract 4 from both sides of the inequality. This keeps the inequality balanced, and it looks like this: 2z plus 4 minus 4 greater than 10 minus 4. Simplifying both sides, we have 2z greater than 6. At this step, the expression is altered by removing the plus 4 term through subtraction, which leaves us with 2z greater than 6. This operation brings us closer to isolating the variable z. To finish solving the inequality 2z greater than 6, we must continue to isolate the variable z. Currently, 2 is being multiplied by z. To isolate z, we will divide both sides of the inequality by 2. Dividing both sides by the same positive number keeps the inequality direction unchanged. This operation will look like this: 2z divided by 2 greater than 6 divided by 2. Simplifying both sides, we get z greater than 3. Now, we have successfully isolated the variable z and found that z is greater than 3. This is the solution in inequality form. Next, we express the solution in interval notation. Interval notation describes a set of numbers and uses a round bracket to show that an endpoint is not included. Here, z being greater than 3 does not include the number 3, but includes all numbers greater than 3 up to positive infinity. So we write the interval notation as open round bracket, 3 comma infinity, close round bracket. This concludes the solution. In summary, we solved the inequality 2z plus 4 greater than 10 and found that z is greater than 3. This is expressed in interval notation as open round bracket, 3 comma infinity, close round bracket. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.